What will make it endure is the continuous love of the Bicolanos towards Ina and towards the Divino Rostro, because we see that Ina is really a mother to us, and that's the reason why we always cling to her. Pumupunta kami, we wanted always to have the celebration in a more intimate way. Kasi yun yung paraan para mas ma-express namin yung aming pananampalataya sa Diyos at pagmamahal namin kay Ina. So, even the youngsters also express this way. That's our hope that eventually this devotion to Ina will really continue until many years or as much as possible for so long.